In this session, you're going to build a powerful online notes app which will enable users to store their notes online. They will also be able to manage their notes by editing them or deleting them. You're going to use HTML, CSS, jQuery, Bootstrap, PHP, MySQL, and Ajax. The app you're about to build is going to include advanced features that you will find in modern applications like Facebook or Twitter. Now, let's go through the app and understand its different functionalities. First of all, the landing page is going to offer a couple of options. We're going to have the sign up option and the login option. To sign up, we're going to need to click on this button and then fill in some information. If there are any errors, we're going to get an error message just like this. And if everything is fine, we are going to receive an email message to confirm that we own the email address we have entered here, and also we're going to receive a link in the email to activate our account. Okay, so let's check our inbox, and we've got an email there. If we click on the link, our account is going to be activated, and now we are ready to log in with our login details. Okay, so before we log in, let's have a look at these two features, the Remember Me feature and the Forgot Password feature. So the Remember Me feature is going to allow us to be remembered the next time we open the app. And the one condition that we don't log out before ending our session. So if we close the browser and end the session without logging out, we're going to be remembered, which means that we're not going to be requested to fill in our login details the next time we open the app. Okay, so the Forgot Password feature is going to allow us to reset our password. So we're going to be requested to give our email address. And once we submit, we're going to receive an email address with a link. Okay, so let's check our inbox. And now we've got the email there. And if we click on the link, we can now reset our password. So let's choose a new password and click on Reset Password. And now let's log in. Using the new password. Once we are logged in, we're going to land in the Notes page, where we're supposed to see all the notes we have created so far. At the moment, we don't see any notes as we haven't created any yet. So to create a note, we're going to need to click on the Add Notes button. And now we see a notepad, so let's write some text. And let's copy paste it multiple times. So now if we click on all notes, we're going to see our list of notes. So inside each note, the first line is going to show the beginning of the note, and the second line is going to be showing the last date and time the note was updated. Okay, so now if we create a second note, now you'll see that the second note shows at the top, and the reason why is because the notes are going to be ordered by last updated. So if I update the first note, then it's going to show at the top. Okay, now if we click on the Edit button, we can delete any note that we don't need anymore. Okay, so let's delete the first one, for example, and click on Done. And now we are left with only the second note. All right. Now let's have a look at another page we've got here, is the profile page. So this page is going to show the general account settings, like the username, email, and password, and we can update these if we like. So for example, let's update the username and let's set it to web developer. And now you can see that the username has been updated and now we are logged in as web developer. Also, we can update the email if we want. So let's change the email address and click on submit. Now we're going to receive an email message in the new email address to prove that we own that email address. Okay, so let's check our inbox in the second email address. Now let's click on the link inside the email. And now our email has been updated. Okay, so now we can log in using the new email. Okay. And finally, we can change our password. So we're going to be requested to input our current password and our new password. And now the password has been updated successfully. Alright, now we have covered all the features of our online notes app. So to build the app, we are going to start by building the skeleton and decoration of the different web pages. And then we are going to go through the logic of the app using a flowchart. And finally, we are going to translate that logic into code using PHP, MySQL, and Ajax. So in the next video, we're going to start building the skeleton and decoration of the different web pages.